welcome to Mickey Gist TV. I am dropping a tutorial on how to remove background picture using Photoshop. So without wasting much of our time, you are going to learn simple steps on how to remove background using your system. And after that, I'm going to drop again how to remove background using your smartphone. So stay tuned to learn it. It's very simple. The procedures are well organized, very simple, and it's not time consuming. So you can learn from this and also improve yourself if you're a graphic designer, if you're using Canva to design, and so on and so forth. So please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell to be notified whenever I'm going to post new tutorial videos. Thank you. So without wasting much of our time, I'm going to my media. So I'm going to select an image or picture. So I'm selecting GUC. I'm selecting GUC. So you see open with. Then I'm going to open with Adobe Photoshop CS6. So this one. So we double click. So it's opening. So PS Adobe Photoshop CS6. So as you can see, I have imported this picture in my Photoshop. So the next step we are going to do now is to go to your background here now. We unlock. So I click. So new layer to get a new layer, because I'm not going to work on this locked background. So I click OK. So you can see the layer now is now unlocked. So the next step now I'm going to take is to choose this. So, and okay, let me show you something. So in Photoshop, to maximize or minimize this picture now, so if I want to make it bigger now, so you have to press on your keyboard. Okay, if I have to press on your keyboard, control. If you hold control, then you press plus. So I'm pressing it, the thing is maximizing. So if I want to minimize it, you hold on also on your control key and press minus. So as you can see, I'm pressing minus now. The thing is minimizing. So let me bring it to the normal height that I want it. So work. I'm going back to work now. So I click this. You drop it here. You click here, double click. So you click and you left click with your mouse. So like this, I left click so that the thing will hook up here. So as I'm doing right now, I double click, I left click. So I'll be doing it small so that I'm left clicking now, so that you will not make mistake. Then if you want to join those lines now, you double tap. You left click, but you will double tap 2 times. So have you seen it right now? So you press your right click, you see feather, you see refine edge, but I'm choosing feather so that the feather release will be so smooth, it won't be rough. So I already chose 1.5 because I love using 1.5 in doing my tutorial. So I'm choosing now 1.5. So I click OK, then I delete on my keyboard. So I have removed here now. So as you can see, it's very neat. So I start from again, I double click, then I click, So let me maximize it so that I will see the area I'm working very well. So as you can see, if I want to drop, I left click. So let me join this one that I have done so that I won't make mistakes. So if I want to join here, I double tap. So I select feather, 1.5 is okay, then I delete on my keyboard. So I'm starting here again. So remember, if you want to double click, if you want to join those lines you have done, so you double click. So remember to select your feather. When selecting your feather, you right click, select your feather, then you left click, then feather radius 1.5. remember that. Okay, then you delete on your keyboard. So let me scroll down. So you can see I have removed the background of the right hand side. So I'm going to the left hand side now to delete the background. So as you can see, we are progressing on our background remover. So remember to drop any questions on the comment section. If you have any questions pertaining to this background removal, feel free to chat me on my WhatsApp, which I will drop in the comment section. So we are progressing. So remember, if you want to join these lines you have done, you double click. Then remember to select feather, you right click and select feather, then you left click, then you press OK, then you delete. then I delete. So what remains now is to remove the background that is inside here. So in the background, to remove background that is inside this small hole now, so you have to be more clinical and careful, so that I will not cut out the clothes of GUC in this picture now. So I'm trying, I'll do it, I'll show you how to do it. So let's get back to work. So I right click, select feather, left click, then reduce 1.5, then I delete. Alright, so with this now, I have successfully removed the background. So you go on and save your file. Then remember, after working, you drop. How neat the background is. So you after removal, you drop, then you go to file, then you save your file, you save as. So I love Photoshop. Let's leave it as Photoshop PSD. So myself. Okay. So if you have any question pertaining to background removal, don't hesitate to drop your comment on comment section, so that you have a follow up. So thank you for watching my tutorial video, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell. Thank you for watching my video.